Okay, well, I'll go, but I am not giving up on you. Now, you are going to remember the night we had the power. And not that you're doing fun, because maybe that night we did some things that kept me are worth remembering.
That James Open golf course? I think I missed something at the autopsy. Check it out. You always got to come with lunch. Those blue marks on the back of her hand. First I thought they were veins. Now I think it's ink. You know, some kind of right. Yeah, I need to run some more tests. See if I can get a clearer image. I could be wrong, but what? I think it's